Hey everybody, what is up? And welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Are you dirty? Do you need to get clean? That's right, you filthy animal. Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're gonna learn how you can get clean in like 14 different ways. This thing has 14 different settings, but let's check it out. Hey everybody, what is up? And welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be learning about the WaterSong Showerhead system. 14 in one. These things have 14 different settings. Not only is this like waterfall, but this is the handheld Showerhead version. It's already loaded. But as you guys know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do an unboxing and we test the products and show you all the different features and we dive into the details. But let's go ahead and open this box. So today we're gonna be unboxing this really cool shower head right here from WaterSong. Let's go ahead and bust into the box right here. Got the website on the outer edge. This is watersong.com. But what we're interested in is what's in the box. Lots of bubble wrap here to keep the items safe, but first off, wow, look at this right here. Hefty, amazing. This should be the waterfall feature, so kind of go overhead and wash down over you. Very nice. Looks like it's got several settings right here that you can kind of go through with the little switching mechanism. Very nice. Part of the tools right here and screws. This looks like it might be the extras, but you never know. Looks like you got everything you need right here. Part of the mounting bracket system right here to kind of make sure your plumbing is all set up for it. And the splitter for it so that you can run the different cables and use the waterhead feature and the handheld feature. Look at that, very nice. The color on this is great. It's very sleek, very fashionable. I know we always see chrome now, so it's nice to see something like this in this matte black kind of look. But it looks like there's also settings on the back for this to turn it off or turn it on. And then of course the additional features right here, just built right into the head. Right here it looks like the holder for the hand shower head right here. So just kind of mount this on the wall and it should sit right in it as such. So something like this should be good like that. But right here, if we keep going deeper into the box, you actually got the tube or the water cable or the plumbing or however you want to look at it right here. It looks like you got some really nice length on this. So some range. Should be great for all heights, right? Perfect. Right here, it comes with part of the, I guess what I would say is like the washer tape. So you can kind of wrap this around the ends there to stop water from escaping and give you a better seal when you're kind of screwing the devices in together. Right here looks like it's going to be part of your spout as well, so another great piece to have to give you a little more distance off of your shower connections. And then finally, it looks like some kind of plate right here. If we can get in here, I'll show you. Just more features right here to kind of cover up probably any like gaps or anything like that, so you won't really see the ugliness of installation. You'll kind of get a really nice finished look. So very cool. That's what's in the box right here on the WaterSong. This is the shower head combo, the WaterSong 14 settings, 7-inch rain shower head, and 5-inch handheld shower spray system. It's even got a built-in power wash, and it comes with 6.5 feet of hose and an adjustable mount for your bath massage experience. This elegant shower head combo, it comes in pure matte black with the appearance design. It creates a modern and elegant bathroom space for you. The 7-inch extra large fixed rain shower head provides high pressure and abundant water flow. The 5-inch handheld shower spray head is light and solid. It's easy to hold in one hand And they elaborated on that by doing them together, the rain and the handheld shower head combo, and it brings you kind of like that perfect shower experience. It comes with a built-in power wash. Press the button to turn on the unique water eject mode. You will be surprised by how useful this function is. Corners that are hard to reach, toilets, bathtubs, and tiles all can be strongly cleaned with water eject mode by one single hand. You can also use it to bathe your pet. From then on, your home cleaning will become much easier. There's 14 different spray modes in this 3-in-1 shower system. Both the rainfall and the handheld shower head have 7 different settings each: spray, massage, spray plus massage, pressure, mist, and 2 pause modes. You can customize up to 14 functions to enjoy the unique shower with different water pressure and water volume. Come and try different patterns to wash your face, wash your hair, and relax your body. The shower heads combo would wash your tiredness away. This thing's amazing. It's all in one. It's got a 3-way diverter system. It's easy to adjust between 3 shower modes: rain, handheld, and rain plus handheld. A patented 3-in-1 water diverter system can be easily switched by one single hand. Flexible modes combination with abundant water gives you an invigorating shower as if you were under a waterfall or exposed to the rain. Multiple modes bring different pleasures for a bath. And did I mention it's easy to install? You can easily connect all the parts with no need of a plumber. The durable and extensible stainless steel hose is wear resistant and heat proof. The 6.5-foot length makes the handheld flexible to reach a further position. The package also includes a washer, a hook, and Teflon tape and screws. You can handle it without taking much time. Come and enjoy a pleasurable lifestyle with WaterSong. WaterSong, you did it again. You made another amazing, awesome product. The showerhead combo here with the rain and the handheld system and the power wash feature is just A+. The fact that you can use it to clean the bathroom where you clean yourself is so important, right? Like, you can't just keep using a dirty sink to wash dishes. You gotta clean the sink at some point. Clean your tub. But we want to give a huge shout out to WaterSong for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for allowing us to bring this product to our audiences. And if you're watching this, check the description wherever you are to see if you can't get links to this product as well as a potential discount code or coupons. We put things in there, right? So go check. And if you guys can leave us a comment wherever that's possible. And if you see a notification bell, please click it so that you get all of our videos emailed to you and updated to you as they come out. But guys, thanks so much for watching thanks so much for washing, and we'll see you guys in the next review. I guess that means time to get a bath.